So as I mentioned, I was actually on the internet looking for insurance coverage.
Okay.
Betty told me, you've got to call my guy and talk to him.
Okay.
And so, just being totally honest, I have been trying to figure out what I'm doing,
Sure.
and that's why I came to see you because of her recommendation. She said it would be different,
Okay.
and you offer more.
Yeah. Well, and again, and Betty and I, we spent some good quality time together. I mean, she got more of an education, I think, than she signed up for. But I think that's kind of what makes me different. I don't expect anyone coming in the door to know all about insurance. Now, some people really analyze their policies. I sometimes they surprise me on just how they articulate what they have, and that's great because I think everyone should understand, what they do have their hands on. Right? It isn't one of those. Well, you told me I had full coverage. Well, what's full coverage? Full coverage for you could be, different than what I might have recommended for Betty. Right? Everyone's needs are a little different. You mentioned the internet. It's funny because I understand the mentality. We live in a day of technology, right? So it's very easy to go on to the websites, check it out. I've had people enter their information on the internet, and all of a sudden their phone blows up. They get tons of emails, and they get inundated by all these different companies that said, "Oh, here's your price. I can save you money," but you don't really know who you're dealing with. Right?
Right.
I don't know if you've done that, if you went that far. If you did, it's okay. You're not alone. I hear this often. Everyone thinks that, well, I got to exercise my options. And yes, I'm all about that too. But the thing I'm going to do, beyond any shadow of a doubt, is make sure you understand what your, insurance needs are, how we satisfy them, and then we'll make a decision together. See, I'm not, there's no selling involved. We basically share information. That puts you at ease. The worst going to happen is you find out you're good where you are, and I probably will be the first one to tell you that. Does that sound fair? I mean, this way we're going to
Yes.
just start somewhere and we'll see where it goes.
Sounds
Right.
good.